You are never too old to set another goal or to dream a new dream.
Hi, my name is Rinanti Putri Rahmawati, 20 years old from Kabupaten Ponorogo. Now I'm a student of Environmental Engineering, University of Brawijaya. My daily activities besides study in the college are follow organization and the event on the campus. I'm a part of Ponorogo Tourism Ambassador. I was first runner-up of Kakang Senduk Ponorogo 2017. I'm a dreamer girl. I always believe that everything happens because we dare to dream and try realize the dream. I'm interested following investment ambassador because related to my duties as tourism ambassador who promotes my city and contribute developing all the potential of my city. This year, East Java became the private donor of the region as a good investment target. In the area of pandemic, East Java investment can reach 51 trillion rupiah, the second place after province of West Java. The condition requires East Java to continue to investment. The investment sector in East Java are industrial, tourism, and agriculture. My hometown Ponorogo has investment potential who not less interest than the other city. Because Ponorogo Regency has a Ngebel Lake tourism area, which is the largest natural lake in East Java with the potential to invest in tourism and agricultural sector. The plan of build lingkar release make it easier for tourists to visit Ngebel Lake. In this area, there is a Robusta coffee cultivation with the unique taste. The cultivation has a production capacity almost of 200 tons per year. In 2018, Robusta coffee from Ngebel represent the coffee festival in Yogyakarta and received the best nomination. And also in 2019, Robusta coffee origin from Ngebel represent the international festival in Sweden. With many advantages that I have mentioned before. It is expected to attract investors to expand the plantation land of Robusta coffee in Ngebel, and in long term, it is able to develop not only in its industrial sector, but also in agrotourism. And for investors, don't worry about the licensing process because DPM PTSP Ponorogo will help and facilitate the licensing process. I'm Rinanti Putri Rahmawati. I'm ready to join Investment Ambassador of East Java 2020.